Doing a full restoration in my backyard of a 1970 Ford Mustang. You can see a little bit of body work. Kind of got to redo the whole back end. Some spots that just need to be bondoed up, body filled. A couple rust spots cut out and redone. We already did a lot of spray on bed liner throughout the whole car. We've got all the things we need to rewire. A few parts are on the way. We're gonna do a back seat delete instead of the seat that's in there. Already have a new carpet. The whole interior is gonna be redone and painted. All rewired. That's what all that stuff is for. Packs of wires. Need a few parts we don't got yet, but it does run. Starts and runs. I'll show that in a different part of the video. I'll take out the whole front. There's nice things. I'm gonna redo the whole front because the side's pretty clean and flush. This one needs just a little bit of body work done. Nothing too major, do it ourselves. Do need to find a radiator that fits because we do not have one that fits. This side is pretty clean. For the most part, just needs primer. Today we're going to remove both of the wings on the back. And I'm going to make sure that this whole back port panel is done. The next thing we're going to end up doing is rewiring all these wires. All of them from the front to the rear. Got a new fuse block on the way. We're going to redo the fuses. Since we got like an old style fuse block here. Order a new dash. We're not sure if the sunroof is original or not. In '69, they started having independent contractors put sunroofs in them for a select handful. So we're going to be finding that out via the VIN number. And there's like a $200.50 report. But definitely a good project. Tagged and registered, of course, but can't drive it. So we'll be doing a lot to this. Of all the valences.